Good morning, students. Today in this video, we are going to start the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot. This poem has been taken from the book The Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats, written by T.S. Eliot and published in 1939. This book is actually a collection of light mood poems which T.S. Eliot has written especially for children. From there, this poem has been taken, Macavity the Mystery Cat. And in this poem, the poet is describing about a cat, Macavity, which is very mysterious. So let's start the poem. Macavity's a mystery cat, he is called the Hidden Paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw. Why he is called the Hidden Paw? Because wherever he is indulged in any crime scene, he is not leaving. Okay, he is not leaving any proof of himself. He is doing all the works very secretly. So the poet has used this term Hidden Paw for Macavity. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is master criminal who is disobeying the law. He is not following the laws. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard and the flying squad, these are the police forces. And bafflement means confusion. Because whenever there is the indulgence of Macavity in any case, Scotland Yard is getting confused. And the flying squad is losing the hope. Disappear means a state of losing hope. So the flying squad is losing the hope to solve the case because Macavity is indulged in that. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever the police is reaching at the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So whenever Macavity, the poet is saying that Macavity, like Macavity, no one is there. He is breaking every human law, and he even breaks the law of gravity because his power of levitation. What is levitation? The power of the ability of floating in the air. So if somebody or someone is floating in the air, what he is doing? He is actually breaking the law of gravity. So his power of levitation would make a fakir stare, and by seeing that, a fakir means an aesthetic person also makes stare him because he is not believing that how could it be possible that Macavity is breaking the law of gravity and he is having the ability to float in the air. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So wherever you will go to the crime scene, you will not find Macavity. You will try to find him in the basement, you will look up in the air, but the poet is saying that he's so mysterious, he's so clever that you are not going to find him out. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. Here, poet is saying that Macavity is a ginger cat. So what it means, a ginger cat? Ginger cat is a term which is used for domestic cats, which those who are having orange color fur. Okay, very much resemble to the color of ginger. So ginger cat, this term is used for those domestic kind of cats which are having orange or pale kind of fur. So he is like that. He is very tall and thin. If you will see him, you will easily understand that this cat is only Macavity. Why? Because his eyes are sunken in. His eyes are just deep inside in the head. And his brow is deeply lined with thought. As you can see in the picture also. See the brows of Macavity. These are so lined, so thoughtful. Means he is still thinking something. Okay, to do a mischievous work. His brow is deeply lined with thought and head is highly domed. Domed in a dome shape. Highly domed, this term we are using for those persons who are always in a thinking state. They always think something. So Macavity is also like that. So this term is used by the poet for Macavity. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So his coat is dusty from neglect means he is not taking bath, he is not taking care of himself. So his fur is dusty. His whiskers means what? Long hair near the mouth of rats and cats. So his whiskers are uncombed. That is also very untidy. He sways his head from side to side. He moves slowly his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So when you will think that he is sleeping, he is half asleep, he is not actually sleeping. He is always wide awake. He is always been a very, you can say that he is very awakening manner. Okay, he is very prompt every time. Macavity. There is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in felon shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity is not there. So no one is like Macavity. He is like a devil. Fiend means devil in a shape of a cat, a monster of depravity. He is a monster who is not having any moral values. You can meet him in any by street or you can see him in the square. By street means in Hindi you can say gully or square means chalk. So you can see him in any of the by street, you can see him in any of the square. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. So in day-to-day life, you will be able to find Macavity on any by street or in any square. But when there is a crime discovered, then you will not be able to find Macavity. So somehow, always the absence of Macavity, whenever a crime has happened, it seems that he has been indulged in that crime. Okay, so he is mysterious, he is mischievous. This is just a fun poem by T.S. Eliot. His full name I have written here. You can see his full name is Thomas Stearns Eliot. He has written this fun poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat, for especially for children. I hope you have enjoyed it. So you can write the glossary, the word meanings in your note copy and working with the poem in your literature copy. Have a nice day. Thank you.